Good morning. This is Keisha here at TradeWithResolve.com, and this will be a live day trading video. Now, if you're interested in viewing live day trades along with learning some of the basic terminology that comes along when trading in the stock market, be sure to go ahead and click the subscribe button below for more content. So I am currently in SPY right now. I bought 3 contracts at 73 cents. I was looking to actually buy more than 3 contracts, but I wasn't completely filled, so I actually ended up getting a partial order. But I'm not willing to chase the price, so I'm just going to go with these 3 contracts here. So let's see if the price of SPY can continue lower. So I have 1 contract left and I'm just about to sell it now. So I am all out of the trade for a $106 gain. So not too bad overall. But remember, I only purchased 3 contracts due to the partial fill, which actually ended up equating to a 50% gain. So this was a very nice trade. I hope you enjoyed this live trade, and if you did, please consider subscribing to the channel. Now, if you're brand new to the stock market and you're interested in learning some of the basic terminology, be sure to check out my free video lesson series called Trading Essentials. It's located in the description below. Thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video.